Hello, and welcome to the presentation on academic support services available at the Center for Academic Achievement. My name is Phoenix Fraser Badmus, and I'm the Executive Director of the Center. The academic support services we offer can be a key resource for student success in college. In this presentation, I'm going to provide you with an overview of the services and initiatives which are available to students at the university. At the Center for Academic Achievement, we support student success by empowering them to grow intellectually within their disciplines, helping students to integrate what they learn in the classroom into real-life experiences, and provide services which allow students to excel through graduation. We use a holistic and student-centered approach and offer the resources to enable students to take ownership of their education and achieve their academic goals. In essence, our mission is to teach students how to develop the skills they will need to be lifelong learners. We are located on the top floor of the Lawrence Administration Building, pictured here. If you ever have a chance to visit the center, you will see it as a very welcoming environment with motivational quotes on the walls and study spaces for students to work independently or to receive direct support from members of our staff. The center employs professional staff and over 100 student employees. Our office relies heavily on the student support, and we are fortunate enough to be able to hire some of the most talented, dedicated, and intelligent students on campus to work in our offices. The center primarily employs peer tutors who have been successful in the courses they tutor and who receive training in how to effectively support students academically. In addition to the academic support services we offer, we are also responsible for a number of student success initiatives to support students at the university. Pictured in the graphic are some of those success initiatives, and as a photo of students participating in the interactive information sessions we facilitate during new student orientation in August, where students learn about the variety of support services on campus and how to be successful in college. One of the student success initiatives that you should be aware of is the new student checklist, which is an online tool that lists the important action steps that new students need to take throughout the spring and over the summer to prepare for starting college in the fall. For students who have confirmed their enrollment at the university, the checklist is currently accessible through the MyLaSalle portal. Students can and should begin working on items on the checklist and complete additional items as they become available throughout the spring and summer. The Beginning College Survey of Student Engagement is an item on the checklist and is used by our office and the students' academic advisors to get a better understanding of incoming students' academic and co-curricular experiences from high school, as well as student needs, expectations, and beliefs about college. Our office regularly communicates with students about the services we offer, and we also reach out to students who may benefit from our services. For example, we provide support to students whose first semester GPA causes them to be placed on academic warding or probation. We also reach out to students whose midterm grades indicate that academic support may be helpful in improving their academic performance. Students who indicate a desire to learn more about our services in the Beginning College Survey of Student Engagement are contacted early in the fall semester for proactive outreach before potential issues arrive. Through the early alert system, faculty are able to communicate with students who are in danger of not being successful in a class, and our office provides a nudge for students to seek out support services or work with the faculty to address challenges. We also use multiple platforms to communicate with students about useful tips, resources, learning events, and more to support students in their success at LaSalle. The tutoring support services are our most used offering. Writing tutoring provides one-on-one assistance for help with student writing. Writing tutoring is individualized to the needs of each student, addressing the specific concerns that each student may bring and meeting them where they are in the writing process. Writing tutoring is for everyone and for anything written down. Students may seek writing support at every grade level, including graduate students, and for every class that they're enrolled. Our writing support specialist conducts monthly workshops in person and virtually to help students develop academic writing skills. We also offer peer subject tutoring in over 100 courses across the university curriculum. Subject tutors seek to complement the teaching and learning process by helping students build a foundation or deepen their understanding of course content and help students to become better strategic thinkers and problem solvers. Supplemental instruction and facilitated study groups are both structured group studying options for students enrolled in historically difficult courses. Supplemental instruction leaders are students who have previously succeeded in a course. They attend lectures for the targeted course, then meet with students to review notes, discuss readings, and prepare for examinations. Academic coaching is available to all students at LaSalle, either through meeting with a professional staff person or with our peer academic coach. Academic coaches meet with students on strategies such as time management, effective studying, reading, note-taking, test-taking, organization, and goal setting. We also offer workshops on these topics. Academic support workshops are in person and online. We also work with faculty on providing targeted services and workshops to particular groups of students. Some examples include studying for anatomy and physiology or test taking in nursing. Rosalie Pauline is the university's affirmative action officer and works with students who request academic accommodations. Students who need academic accommodations only have to complete the process once, the application process. Rosalie recommends that incoming freshman students complete the process now. Once the process is completed, approved academic accommodations will remain in effect throughout a student's tenure at the university, and additional accommodations can be requested at any time. To ensure that students have the best possible learning experience, LaSalle offers a variety of academic accommodations and adjustments designed to help students reach their academic goals. Academic accommodations can include additional time on tests, audio recording of lectures, accessible classrooms, and use of auxiliary tools in the classroom such as notepads and calculators. The First Year Advising Office serves as an advising resource to first-year students. Most first-year students will be assigned a faculty advisor within their major department, while some students, such as nursing or undecided liberal arts students, meet with professional staff advisors. Students receive their advisor assignment in a mailing during the summer. First-year advising regularly communicates with first-year students about advising information, important dates, resources, and other university events. Our office also coordinates the early alert system. It's a way for faculty to notify students and their advisors about students who are not doing well in a course, either due to low grades, absences, or other concerns. Our office follows up with the students who receive these reports. Academic support for student athletes provides extensive support and resources for student athletes to ensure that students maintain their NCAA eligibility and meet their academic and educational goals. Two of our professional staff members work directly to support our student athletes. Academic support for student athletes focuses on developing student athletes into successful and productive graduates who will contribute to the community. The primary goal of the office is to assist student athletes in their transition to the collegiate environment and to help them better understand the academic and athletic demands they will encounter. Through educational programming, counseling, and other support services, LaSalle student athletes are encouraged and supported in their pursuit of personal, academic, career, and athletic goals. LaSalle student athletes are encouraged to be actively involved in their educational process as they balance the demands of academic and athletic life. First-year students are offered a 6-week life skills course to help transition them to being a college student at the university. There's also study hall, which is pictured here, in the Trumark Financial Center, where the athletic department is housed and where students can go for study hours, some required, some optional. Student athletes also have a professional tutor and graduate assistant for support in areas of writing support and additional academic supports based on student needs. I hope you have a better understanding of the resources and services we offer in the Center for Academic Achievement. Supporting student success and helping students reach their academic and educational goals are our top priority. We encourage you to go to our website to learn more about our resources and services and connect with us on social media. Feel free to email us any questions or concerns, and we hope to see you in the center. Thank you.